क्या आपने मेरा फ़ोन देखा है? हैव यू सीन माई फ़ोन? क्या आपने मेरा फ़ोन देखा है? हैव यू सीन माई फ़ोन? मैंने यहीं रखा था। आई केप्ट इट हियर। आई केप्ट इट हियर। मम्मी तो बहुत देर तक बातें करती है। मदर टॉक्स फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम। मदर टॉक्स फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम। हमें दूसरों की चुगली नहीं करनी चाहिए। We should not backbite about others. We should not backbite about others. यह बुरी आदत है. This is a bad habit. This is a bad habit. क्या आप भी ऐसा करते हैं? Do you do this too? क्या आप भी ऐसा करते हैं? Do you do this too? सुनो, खाते वक्त बात नहीं करते. Listen, don't talk while eating. Listen, don't talk while eating. मैं तो बस तुम्हें बता रही थी. I was just telling you. मैं तो बस तुम्हें बता रही थी. I was just telling you. तुमसे तो बात करना ही बेकार है. It is useless to talk to you. It is useless to talk to you. मुझे पैसों की बहुत ज़रूरत है. I am in great need of money. I am in great need of money. तो आप नौकरी क्यों नहीं करते? So why don't you get a job? So why don't you get a job? मेरे दोस्त तो मुझ पर हंस रहे हैं. My friends are laughing at me. My friends are laughing at me. और मुझे पैसों की अभी अभी ज़रूरत है. And I need the money right now. And I need the money right now. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बोलने की आदत है. I have a habit of talking too much. I have a habit of talking too much. लेकिन इतना ज़्यादा बोलना भी अच्छा नहीं होता. But it is not good to talk too much. But it is not good to talk too much. आज मुझे पार्टी में जाना है. Today I have to go to the party. Today I have to go to the party. मेरे पास तो अच्छी ड्रेस ही नहीं है. I don't even have a nice dress. I don't even have a nice dress. मुझे लंबी चौड़ी बातें पसंद नहीं है. I don't like long talks. I don't like long talks. जो बोलना है सीधे सीधे बोलो. Whatever you want to say, say it directly. Whatever you want to say, say it directly. वह बहुत ज़िद्दी है. She is very stubborn. वह बहुत ज़िद्दी है. She is very stubborn. उसे कुछ बोलो तो गुस्सा हो जाती है. If you say something to her, she gets angry. If you say something to her, she gets angry. वह किसी की बात नहीं सुनती है. She doesn't listen to anyone. She doesn't listen to anyone. आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I am very happy today. आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I am very happy today. सभी लोग मेरी प्रशंसा कर रहे थे. Everyone was praising me. Everyone was praising me. मैंने घर में सभी को बताया. I told everyone in the house. I told everyone in the house. सभी ने मुझे बहुत बधाइयाँ दी. Everyone congratulated me a lot. Everyone congratulated me a lot. आज का अखबार कहाँ है? Where is today's newspaper? आज का अखबार कहाँ है? Where is today's newspaper? क्या किसी ने आज का अखबार देखा है? Has anyone seen today's newspaper? Has anyone seen today's newspaper? यहाँ इतना अंधेरा क्यों है? Why is it so dark in here? Why is it so dark in here? कहते हैं कि इस घर में भूत है. It is said that there is a ghost in this house. It is said that there is a ghost in this house. ये सब तुम्हारे दिमाग का वहम है. This is all a figment of your mind. This is all a figment of your mind. देखो फिर मुझे उबासी आ रही है. Look, I am yawning again. Look, I am yawning again. मुझे एक अच्छी नौकरी चाहिए. I want a good job. मुझे एक अच्छी नौकरी चाहिए. I want a good job. मैं बहुत दिनों से नौकरी की तलाश में हूँ. I have been looking for a job for a long time. I have been looking for a job for a long time. पता नहीं मेरी तलाश कब ख़त्म होगी. Don't know when my search will end. Don't know when my search will end. आज भी मुझे एक जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए जाना है. Today also I have to go for a job interview. Today also I have to go for a job interview. मैं इंटरव्यू दे देकर थक गया हूँ. I am tired of giving interviews. I am tired of giving interviews. पता नहीं आज क्या होगा. Don't know what will happen today. Don't know what will happen today. बस तुम निराश मत होना. Just don't be discouraged. बस तुम निराश मत होना. Just don't be discouraged. ऊपर वाला तुम्हें खूब कामयाबी दे. May the Almighty give you lots of success. May the Almighty give you lots of success. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. आप कितना कमा लेते हो? How much do you earn? आप कितना कमा लेते हो? How much do you earn? मेरा मतलब आपकी तनख्वाह कितनी है? I mean, how much is your salary? I mean, how much is your salary? मैं किसी को अपनी तनख्वाह नहीं बताता. I don't tell my salary to anyone. I don't tell my salary to anyone. माफ़ करना, वह तो मैं नहीं बता सकता. Sorry, I can't tell that. Sorry, I can't tell that. उसने मुझे वहीं का वहीं रोक दिया. He stopped me right there. He stopped me right there. लेकिन सुनो, यह बात हम दोनों के बीच में रहनी चाहिए. But listen, this should be between you and me. But listen, this should be between you and me. बस यही बाकी था सुनने में. Only that was what least to hear. Only that was what least to hear. मुझसे किसी ने नहीं पूछा. No one asked me. मुझसे किसी ने नहीं पूछा. No one asked me. जल्दी से चाय छान लो. Strain the tea quickly. Strain the tea quickly. बुरा मत मानो, मैं मजाक कर रही थी. Don't get offended, I was kidding. Don't get offended, I was kidding. काफ़ी देर से आपको सोच रहे हो. You have been thinking something for a long. You have been thinking something for a long. क्या तुम्हें जरा भी चिंता नहीं है? Aren't you worried at all? क्या तुम्हें जरा भी चिंता नहीं है? Aren't you worried at all? तुम्हारा चेहरा साफ साफ बता रहा है. Well, it's written on your face. Well, it's written on your face. वो अच्छे दोस्त होने का बस दिखावा करते हैं. They only pretend to be good friends. They only pretend to be good friends. और तुम्हें ऐसा क्यों लगता है? And what makes you think so? And what makes you think so? आप छोटे बालों में ही अच्छे लगते हो. You look nice with your short hair. You look nice with your short hair. तुम नहाते समय चिल्ला क्यों रहे थे? Why were you screaming while bathing? Why were you screaming while bathing? मुझे एक मुस्कान के साथ विदा करो. Send me off with a smile. Send me off with a smile. मुझे ये जगह बहुत पसंद है. I love this place a lot. मुझे यह जगह बहुत पसंद है. I love this place a lot. शायद आपको कोई बुला रहा है. Perhaps someone is calling you. Perhaps someone is calling you. ये इन्हीं के लाड प्यार का नतीजा है. This is the result of his pampering. This is the result of his pampering. क्योंकि हम दोस्ती चाहते हैं. Because we want friendship. क्योंकि हम दोस्ती चाहते हैं. Because we want friendship. मैं बाकी लोगों की तरह नहीं हूँ. I am not like the rest of the people. I am not like the rest of the people. मैं तुम्हारे साथ ही तो बड़ा हुआ हूँ. I have grown up with you. I have grown up with you. इससे कहो ये यहाँ से चला जाए. Tell him to leave from here. Tell him to leave from here. जितना बोलना है बोल लो तुम. Speak as much as you want. Speak as much as you want. मैं तुम्हारा मजाक नहीं उड़ाऊंगा. I won't make fun of you. I won't make fun of you. हर कोई आप ही की चर्चा कर रहे हैं. Everybody is discussing about you. Everybody is discussing about you. उसने मेरी कुछ ज़्यादा ही तारीफ़ कर दी. She praised me too much. She praised me too much. कोई इतनी जल्दी हार कैसे मान सकता है. How can anybody give up so soon? How can anybody give up so soon? उसकी याददाश्त चली गई. She lost her memory. उसकी याददाश्त चली गई. She lost her memory. अब कल से एक नई कहानी शुरू होगी. Now a new story will start from tomorrow. Now a new story will start from tomorrow. चलो बाहर मिलते हैं. Let's meet outside. चलो बाहर मिलते हैं. Let's meet outside. मुझे देर से आने वाले लोग बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं. I don't like people who are late. I don't like people who are late. मैं क्यों गुस्सा होऊंगा. Why will I get angry? मैं क्यों गुस्सा होऊंगा. Why will I get angry? मगर वो समझता ही नहीं है. But he doesn't understand. मगर वो समझता ही नहीं है. But he doesn't understand. मैं यहाँ चाय के लिए नहीं आया था. I didn't come here for tea. I didn't come here for tea. बदतमीज़ी की भी हद होती है. There is a limit to insolence too. There is a limit to insolence too. मुझे बासी खाना मत खिलाओ. Don't feed me stale food. Don't feed me stale food. बर्तनों को खड़खड़ाओ मत. Don't clatter the dishes. Don't clatter the dishes. वह सदमे में था. He was in shock. He was in shock. मैंने अपनी पूरी उम्र गुजार दी. I spent my whole life. I spent my whole life. एक दिन वह ज़रूर आएगी. One day she will definitely come. One day she will definitely come. मैं अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ कि क्या करना है. I know well what to do. I know well what to do. एक बात तो पक्की है. One thing is sure. एक बात तो पक्की है. One thing is sure. मुझे उसे अकेला नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए था. I shouldn't have left her alone. I shouldn't have left her alone. वह बहुत खास है. She is very special. वह बहुत खास है. She is very special. यह वह जगह है जहाँ हम मिले थे. This is the place where we met. This is the place where we met. खुश मन से सब कुछ हासिल किया जा सकता है. Everything can be achieved with a happy mind. Everything can be achieved with a happy mind. आप मुझे झूठा विश्वास दिला रहे हैं. You are giving me false assurance. You are giving me false assurance. मैं तुम्हें घुटनों पर लाकर खड़ा कर दूंगा. I will bow you down. I will bow you down. समय के साथ सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Time will change everything. Time will change everything. मेरे इरादे ऐसे नहीं थे. I didn't have such intentions. I didn't have such intentions. मुझे ऐसा करने से रोका गया. I was forbidden to do so. I was forbidden to do so. आप बेकार में लाल पीले हो रहे हो. You are angry for nothing. You are angry for nothing. तुम मेरी आखिरी उम्मीद हो. You are my last hope. तुम मेरी आखिरी उम्मीद हो. You are my last hope. हमें किसी चीज़ की कमी नहीं. We don't lack anything. We don't lack anything. वे लोग मुझसे पार्टी मांग रहे हैं. They want me to throw party. They want me to throw party. उसका कोई अपना ही मार देगा उसे. One of his own will kill her. One of his own will kill her. हमें पैसे देने पड़ सकते हैं. We might have to give money. We might have to give money. आपको भी इसकी आदत हो जाएगी. Even you would get used to it. Even you would get used to it. ये तो गलत तरीका है. This is the wrong way. ये तो गलत तरीका है. This is the wrong way. मेरी बातों पर ध्यान दो. Mark my words. मेरी बातों पर ध्यान दो. Mark my words. दिल लगा कर काम करो. Work wholeheartedly. दिल लगाकर काम करो. Work wholeheartedly. उन्हें भ्रम में रहने दो. Let them be confused. उन्हें भ्रम में रहने दो. Let them be confused. ज़्यादा अनजान बनने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to be too ignorant. Don't try to be too ignorant. तुम भाव खा रही हो. You are just acting pricey. You are just acting pricey. पल भर में सब कुछ बर्बाद हो जाएगा. Everything will destroy in the blink of an eye. Everything will destroy in the blink of an eye. मुझे सांस तो लेने दो. Let me catch my breath. Let me catch my breath. बच्चों जैसी हरकतें कर रहे हो तुम. You are being childish. You are being childish. मैं इसे करके दिखा दूंगा. I will make it happen. I will make it happen. क्या आप सही दिशा में जा रहे हैं? Are you heading off to the right direction? Are you heading off to the right direction? ड्रामा बंद करो. Cut the melodrama. Cut the melodrama. जो मन करे वो करो. Do as you wish. Do as you wish. यह सब कुछ नहीं बस धोखा है. It's nothing but eyewash. It's nothing but eyewash. मैं हिम्मत हार गया हूँ. My will is shattered. My will is shattered. कुछ बातें हैं जो हमें अलग बनाती है. There are certain things which makes us different. There are certain things which makes us different. ऑफिस जाना मेरी मजबूरी है. It's my compulsion to go to office. It's my compulsion to go to office. तुम्हें देखकर मुझे कुछ याद आता है. Looking at you reminds me something. Looking at you reminds me something. मैं ऐसा नहीं होने दे सकता. I can't let it happen. I can't let it happen. मेरी बुराई ढूंढना बंद करो. Stop finding my evil. Stop finding my evil. जितना सोना है उतना सो लो. Sleep as much as you want. Sleep as much as you want. उसने मेरे साथ बहुत गलत किया. He really did wrong to me. He really did wrong to me. मेरी उससे पुरानी दुश्मनी है. I have bad blood with him. मेरी उससे पुरानी दुश्मनी है. I have bad blood with him. मैं अब आखिरी बार पूछूंगा. Now I will ask for the last time. Now I will ask for the last time. यह मामला अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. This matter is not over yet. This matter is not over yet. तुम में इतना घमंड किस बात का है? Why is there so arrogance in you? Why is there so arrogance in you? मैं तुम्हारी बात में आने वाला नहीं. I am not going to get into your talks. I am not going to get into your talks. मैं हार मानने वालों में से नहीं. I am not one to give up. I am not one to give up. पैसे ने तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब कर दिया है. Money has messed up your mind. Money has messed up your mind. मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचा था. I had never thought so. मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचा था. I had never thought so. अपने दिमाग से यह बात निकाल दो. Take out this thing from your mind. Take out this thing from your mind. मैं आगे बढ़ने वालों में से हूँ. I am go-getter. I am go-getter. तुमने तो मुझे फंसवा ही दिया था. You had got me entangled. You had got me entangled. तुमने रंग में भंग डाल दिया. You are a spoiled sport. You are a spoiled sport. क्या तुम सही में बहरे हो? Are you really hard of hearing? Are you really hard of hearing? पैसे बचाने की आदत डाल लो. Get into the habit of saving money. Get into the habit of saving money. मैं फ्रेंच मुश्किल से समझ पाता था. I was hardly able to understand French. I was hardly able to understand French. दिखावा करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to pretend. There is no need to pretend. क्या तुम दुबई जाने के सपने देख रहे हो? Are you dreaming of going to Dubai? Are you dreaming of going to Dubai? उसे तुम्हारी परेशानियों से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. He has nothing to do with your problems. He has nothing to do with your problems. मेरे सामने मत आओ. Don't come in front of me. Don't come in front of me. मनोज कार नहीं चला पाता है. मनोज इज़ नॉट एबल टू ड्राइव अ कार. मनोज इज़ नॉट एबल टू ड्राइव अ कार. तुमने मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ किया है. यू हैव डन सो मच फॉर मी. यू हैव डन सो मच फॉर मी. मुझे कल की चिंता है. आई एम वरिड फॉर टुमारो. मुझे कल की चिंता है. आई एम वरिड फॉर टुमारो. मेरी बहन पढ़ने में सक्षम है. माई सिस्टर इज़ एबल टू टीच. माई सिस्टर इज़ एबल टू टीच. काफ़ी देर से वह फ़ोन पर बात कर रहा है। He has been talking over the call for a long time. He has been talking over the call for a long time. मैंने उसकी आवाज़ पहचान ली। I recognized his voice. I recognized his voice. मैं तुमसे अकेले में बात करना चाहता हूँ। I want to talk to you alone. I want to talk to you alone. मैं अंग्रेजी बोल पाता हूँ। I am able to speak English. I am able to speak English. मेहनत करने की आदत डाल लो। Get into the habit of working hard. Get into the habit of working hard. मैं इस तरह नहीं जी सकता। I can't live like this. I can't live like this. मैं पिछले हफ्ते अपने दादा दादी के पास गया। I visited my grandparents last weekend. I visited my grandparents last weekend. उसने कल एक गाना गाया। She sang a song yesterday. She sang a song yesterday. उन्होंने कल रात को पार्टी में नाचा। They danced at the party last night. They danced at the party last night. तुम इस लफड़े में मत पड़ो। You don't get into this matter. तुम इस लफड़े में मत पड़ो। You don't get into this matter. इतना गुस्सा ठीक नहीं है। This much anger is not good. This much anger is not good. उसने स्कूल के बाद फुटबॉल खेला। He played football after school. He played football after school. उसने अपने परिवार के लिए रात का खाना बनाया। She cooked dinner for her family. She cooked dinner for her family. मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ। This is what I want to say. This is what I want to say. मैं तुम्हारी बात में आने वाला नहीं। I am not going to get into your talks. I am not going to get into your talks. तुमने तो मुझे फंसवा ही दिया था। You had got me entangled. You had got me entangled. उसने जो कहा सत्य नहीं है। Whatever he says is not true. Whatever he says is not true. आज का मौसम बहुत अच्छा है। Today's weather is very nice. Today's weather is very nice. मैंने मम्मी को बताया। I told my mother. मैंने मम्मी को बताया। I told my mother. हम तो उन्हें देख भी सकते हैं। We can even see them. We can even see them. मैंने उससे बात करने का सोचा। I thought of talking to him. I thought of talking to him. मैं उससे मिलना चाहती थी। I wanted to meet her. मैं उससे मिलना चाहती थी। I wanted to meet her. मुझे उससे बहुत बातें करनी थी। I had to talk to him a lot. I had to talk to him a lot. मुझे पुरानी यादों को फिर से जीना है। I want to relive old memories. I want to relive old memories. मेरा निकलने का वक्त हो गया। It's time for me to leave. मेरा निकलने का वक्त हो गया। It's time for me to leave. मेरा फ़ोन नहीं मिल रहा है। I can't find my phone. मेरा फ़ोन नहीं मिल रहा है। I can't find my phone. मम्मी तो बहुत देर तक बातें करती है। Mother talks for a long time. Mother talks for a long time.